Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to show you quickly how to open a Deliveroo account in France and start your journey as a rider. So to begin, go to this website here, rider.deliveroo.fr/n-fr/apply. Or if you're in France, just go to this website and you'll see this. Anyway, then once on the site, click on sign up or apply now button. This one here, sign up now, and you will be taken to the application page. All right, so answer all the questions correctly, and before you even sign up, let me quickly say, like, just give you an overview of the requirements. So before you apply, make sure you meet these requirements. All right, you have to be over 18 years old, have a smartphone. If you have an iPhone, you need to be on iOS 13.6 or higher, and on Android it should be Android 6 or above with NFC. This is a must, and the phone should have front and rear facing cameras. And you also need your own vehicle, like bicycle, cargo bicycle, or scooter with necessary safety equipment. This is a must, and a French bank account or any other bank account. And then you need to be registered as a same employed worker in France and have a French bank account. French is needed here actually. So then you'll also need to prepare some documents, a valid ID card, passport, or residence permit proving you can work in France, proof of your self-employed status in France, a recent document showing your company registration or your KBIS certificate if possible. So, or any equivalent certificate. So as you can see, France has a lot of requirement. So go to their website and make sure you have everything ready before you click this button. Then once you have done, then go to sign up here, follow along, and upload all the necessary documents, and just wait for Deliveroo to review your application. They will get in touch via email once your registration is approved. And then once approved, you'll need to order your rider kit, just like this kit here. And then you need to buy some helmets if not, and that goes with matching kit, and download the app from Google Play or App Store and then start delivering. You'll start receiving delivery requests which you can accept or reject once you have everything ready and your app set up. You choose when and where to ride, so it's flexible and easy. That's it. You're now ready to ride with Deliveroo in France. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching and happy delivery.